Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a quick, easy and delicious banana milkshake. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. Now let's get started. For ingredients, I am going to be using some whole milk, some overripe banana, evaporated milk, essence, nutmeg, and some sweetened condensed milk. Now to my blender, I'm going to go in with my banana. I am going to add in my sweetened condensed milk, my evaporated milk, some freshly grated nutmeg, and I'm also going to add in a little bit of essence. Now I'm going to cover my blender and I'm going to blend this until I achieve a nice smooth puree consistency. Now after you're done blending this, you can adjust the sweetness by adding a little bit more condensed milk, or if you would like to adjust the thickness, you can do so by adding a little bit more of the evaporated milk. Now banana milkshake is enjoy and serve cold. So after chilling mine in the fridge for about 4 hours, I'm going to pour myself out a cup of milkshake. I'm also going to garnish with some freshly grated nutmeg, a stick of cinnamon, and some freshly picked mint leaf. Now, I was not lying when I say this would be quick, easy, and delicious. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it for you all. If you would like to try this recipe and have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed for more delicious recipe. As usual, I would like to say thank you for watching, goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.